Now this is a question that I feel very qualified to answer, not just because of my paediatric experience, but also because I'm the dad of 3 young boys, and all I would need to do is show you a snapshot of our house on a Saturday afternoon to understand why children need to get adjusted. What you saw in the video just then is exactly why children need to get checked. They play around, they move around, they dogfight, they do all sorts of things in order to be able to get themselves under different stresses. That's not a bad thing, that's just the way things are. But if we take from the time a child is born, it might be a mother having a problem in pregnancy that could influence how that baby sits, and then obviously the birthing process can be traumatic at times, and that can affect how that child develops. On average, a child falls over around about 2,000 times when they're learning to walk. So all those little cumulative impacts that they get are going to have an effect on how their brain and nervous system's working. And then the inevitable time that they run into the door, or they might go and do other physical things when they're learning how to play different sports, or arguing with their brother and sister. And certainly nowadays we see a lot more stress on children in terms of chemical stresses like the pesticides in our food and other things like that, but also emotional stresses too. The advent of social media and of gaming and of other things like that, which cause our children to get less time outside, less time moving about in the way that they used to, means that probably now more than ever, it's important to understand that the best time to get checked is when someone's born, and then the second best time is now. What you